On the other end of the spectrum, Nokia is debuting an incredibly affordable device. The, what are they calling it? The Nokia 1.4. How about that for a product name? Yeah, I'll just take the 1.4 and a 1.5 and a 1.6. I don't mind it, actually. Keep it simple. I don't know how memorable it is. Now, they're calling this device family friendly. And the reason being is because it prioritizes the type of use people are doing right now, trapped at home, COVID style. Everyone needs to have a device. Everyone's bored. And so they think family friendly means it's affordable enough you could get it for anybody in the house, including youngsters. I feel like that's the pitch. The thing is starting at 99 euros. 99 euros.
Oh.
It's going to feature a 6.5-inch, 5.1-inch LCD panel with a tiny little notch on there. Not a big one, a little sort of a teardrop style notch. It's not going to be very powerful. Snapdragon 215 SoC. However, it will have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which for family usage, I suppose, is what you would want. Unfortunately, only 5-watt charging. 8-megapixel camera, and Android 10 Go edition. So hopefully the lightweight Android will be okay with the less than flagship performance. But the price point is what really stood out to me, and the family-friendly branding. And also the device doesn't look half bad for $100.
Looks pretty good.
Showcases how far we've come in smartphones.